Hi, welcome back. So one of the great things about Prompt is it has a huge amount of options to play with. It has a whole host of features, and the odds are if you want one of those features tweaked slightly, you'll find a setting that can accommodate you around that. So let's have a look at how we can get to those. So I have Management Studio open here, and at the top you can see that we've got the SQL Prompt toolbar option. So I'm going to select that, and you can see that we have this options selection, and if we make that, you can see the options window. In here we have various options around the formatting styles, for example. So here we can come in and look to edit our formatting styles. Around tab coloring, so specifying exactly what colors we want our tabs to be. Or maybe even around our inserted code. So for example, the aliases we want to use. These options are also available in the Visual Studio plugin as well. So if I open Visual Studio, and again, we go to the SQL Prompt menu, we can once again open the options window. So I hope that gives you a good overview of how we can find the various option settings within Prompt, not only for Management Studio, but also Visual Studio. Thank you.